Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find color adjustments option in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To find our options, we have to go to the settings, then we will scroll all the way down until we see accessibility. Here at the top we have vision enhancements. So tap it once, then color adjustments now is turned off by default. To turn it on, we need to tap this icon here, and now we have few options so we can customize our screen. Here is a little demo, or we can personalize it however we want right here. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box and it's as it was by default. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.